Speaking of DoD, Major General, we're going to ask you to highlight a specific program that you'd like to raise the awareness for in regards to cybersecurity.
All right, thanks, Luke. First and foremost, I think I'll build upon the rest of the guest comments. So none of this happens without people, and that people is, in my space, it's military, it's Department of the Army civilians, I'll say DoD civilians, it's contractors. So it's our vendor partners, international partners when it comes to, the coalition. But so it's all about people. But two things I think for the Army that I think are important as we get towards this unified network based on zero trust principles are what we call Army Unified Directory Services. So I heard one of the guests talk about get rid of all these active directories. And so that's our goal, is to create, one space for the Army so you can move efficiently and effectively across the globe, both as a person and devices. And so that's a huge lift for us right now as we roll that out globally. And then tied to that is what we call USIEM, so Security Information Event Management. And so what we've done and over the last 6 months is create a unified platform so that we can see not just devices in what we used to call the enterprise network, but all the way down to the tactical edge. So we now at NETCOM can see devices that are deployed at the National Training Center as part of a tactical network, which allows us to collect data, security event data, and feed that all the way back up to the Army Cyber Command Enterprise, and then back up to Cyber Command so that we can analyze the data and figure out what's going on inside the network. So those are the two huge lifts over what we'll say fiscal year 24 that I think set the foundation for this unified network based on zero trust principles. And so those are the two big things we're getting after as part of the larger Department of Defense zero trust effort.